In today's video we're going to be fitting some anti-locking hood straps to the MGTF. So a common problem with MGS and TFs is that the soft top on your car doesn't fall flat in one motion when you try and put it down. It can sometimes feel like it jams about halfway, and if you try and force it you feel like you're bending the actual frame of the roof. Now that's actually caused by a bit of elastic that's in the roof just deteriorating over age. So if you have a look on the inside of your roof, certainly on some of the later ones, you'll see what looks like a piece of seatbelt material, and in between two of those braces there's a bit of elasticator material that's stitched into that seatbelt material, and what that does is as you put your roof down it pulls the two braces together, meaning that it goes flat all in one motion. So what we'll do is we'll get these new anti-locking straps fitted to the car, and they should fix that problem. These are from a company on eBay called Mania. I'll pop a link down below so you can find them yourselves if you want to get them. And what they do is just replicate that elasticated material. Should be a nice straightforward fit, just some Velcro. So we'll get out to the car, get these fitted, and hopefully we'll see an improvement in the roof going flat in one motion. So this is the seatbelt type material that I was talking about earlier. These are the two bars that jam as you put the roof down. They don't close together and they stop the roof from going down. And in between these two you're gonna find, certainly on mine, which is a 2004 TF, is a bit of elasticated material which is stitched onto the back of that seatbelt material, and what happens is that just loses elasticity over the years, and then it stops the roof from going down in one movement. And all this modification is just to Velcro in a piece of elasticated material. Now this one is from a company called Mania. I picked it up off eBay. I'm sure if you were handy enough with a sewing machine you could probably have a go at making one of these yourselves. But unfortunately for me I don't have a sewing machine, so I'm unable to have a go myself. But we're going to fit this to the roof now. So what you'll find is that this bit you won't be able to put anything underneath because the soft top is attached to the bar at this point. That bit you can't get anything underneath because that's where the old belt material goes, so you have to pop it through here at the end. So you just pull that through and then line the Velcro strips up and Velcro it on, and then through the other side same thing again, line the Velcro strips up, and there you go. What we'll do is do the exact same thing on the other side, and then I'll show you what a difference it makes in terms of putting the roof down. So the anti-locking straps are now fitted, make a massive difference to putting that roof down. Being able to put it down in one motion without it getting jammed halfway is a real improvement, so I'm really pleased with that. Would definitely recommend fitting these to your car. So with the roof down and the sun's out, I think it's probably about time that I get out and start enjoying the sun whilst it's here. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a like down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, I'll see you soon.